Hey y'all, we're gonna do this cook with me vlog. I'm gonna cook my collard greens. If y'all saw the video that dropped before this one, you know, I showed y'all everything we had. So on the menu today, we're gonna have collard greens. We're gonna have 2 pot roasts. We're gonna have okra. We're gonna have gravy for the roast. We're from the South, so we eat squash as well. We're going to do some potato salad. We're going to put carrots and potatoes and onions and peppers on the roast. And just some other stuff I got, just some added things. So let me get this cracking in this kitchen. Okay, y'all, what I normally do is, okay, I wash my greens even though they are pre-washed. I don't play like that. So I have them in a bowl and I'm going to let them soak for a little bit because those turkey tails are actually cooking, and it's going to be about, cook those about 45 minutes before I add my greens to them. You want to cook those, they're smoked, but we going to cook those well. So while the turkey tails is cooking, I'm going to let the greens soak, and then I'm going to wash them. I washed them twice, so I'm going to wash them again, and then I add them to the pot with that Knorr onion, garlic powder, onion powder, seasonal, black pepper, and all the good flavors. Okay, y'all, I know my light is yellow because it's my stove light, but these are the, is it Bush? I think they're Bush black-eyed peas with jalapenos. Are they field peas or
black-eyed peas?
Black-eyed peas with jalapenos, green snap peas, and bacon. And it's simple. I'm just going to add black pepper, a little bit of garlic salt seasoning, and a little bit of seasoning, but I'm real careful because they're already salted pretty good. So that's all I do to that, and then I let them cook through for about 15 minutes because they're pretty much already there, and you don't want to overcook them and make them mushy. So that's how I'm going to do the beans. Okay, y'all, I'm going to show you how I do my roast. I cover it with wax paper, and I take a mallet like this, got it from a local dollar store, and I just beat the heck out of it. It actually break up the tissues, the muscle of the meat, and makes it super tender. I do all of my meat this way, my chicken, my beef, stuff of that nature. So now after I beat it, then I'm going to wash it thoroughly and put it in my pan. Okay, y'all, after I sear off my roast in a pan with, I just use this country crock right here. I added carrots, onions, red skin potatoes, parsley, yellow peppers, red peppers. I opted not to do the green peppers, and then I season my vegetables. I season my meat, and then I re-season my vegetables as well, because you want everything to have flavor. Did I do black pepper? I got to do a little bit of black pepper on my veggies. Okay, guys, now those turkey tails has been cooking for a little while, so I just went ahead and added 2 of these Knorr chicken stocks. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then I went ahead and put my greens down in my pot. I'm going to slice some onions on top. I put some on the bottom. I'm going to put some onions on top. I also put some garlic powder. Onion powder. I didn't put garlic powder in it. I put onion powder in it. And I'm going to let them cook a little bit because the turkey tails have sodium. So I'm going to wait and see how much salt I'll need. But I am going to sprinkle black pepper in there. I also added celery, so I want to come back and show y'all this. Usually when we're prepping our food, we use like a garbage bag or a garbage bowl. It just keeps everything a little bit neater in the kitchen. And baby girl is over here cutting the squash, and we're just going to saute that off with onion, garlic powder, parsley, black pepper, and the good stuff. Okay, guys, I have both of the pot roasts. I didn't have any, what do you call that stuff, baby girl? I don't know what that glare is, y'all. Okay. I didn't have any foil, so I just left them uncovered. And we're going to cook them for maybe, what, 2 hours? Yeah. Maybe about 2 hours, because we like ours like fork tender. And we put it on 400, so we're gonna put our timer for 2 hours. Still learning how to use my timer, y'all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on like 2 hours. And at that point, I'm gonna pour the gravy on, let them cook for another maybe 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, we have our potatoes in this pot. We washed them about 2 times to get a little bit of that starch off. So we're gonna, I cut them up, baby girl, peeled them, I cut them up. And the greens are cooking good. Okay, looks good. I'm venting that thing a little bit so it won't boil over. We got about 4 eggs we're gonna add to our potato salad, and we have this pan right here. We're gonna do we're gonna pan sear our squash off. Okay, I just added onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, black pepper, and seasoning to my squash, and I'm gonna pan sear it. It actually tastes so good like this. I found with a lot of vegetables that exude water out of them, it tastes better to pan sear them. Oh, it's so good. Y'all not tried it this way, try it. And I also gotta put some onion in this, some sliced onion. Okay, y'all, this is my gravy. It starts off looking like this. I put peppers, onions, garlic in it. And then I'm going to season it with the garlic powder, onion powder, little parsley, and black pepper. I use basically the same seasonings over and over, but it tastes good. Okay, y'all, this is my, what is it? My squash. I pan sear it off, and I like a little bit of, what you call it, on the caramelization, because it gives it flavor. So it's cooked through, but it's not soggy, like super soggy, super mushy. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I can't turn on my vent because it comes on automatically. This is what my okra is looking like. So we just kind of steam it a little bit. We tend to like it very soft for our peas, so we're just gonna let it cook really good. No, it's on the back one. Let the fire going. Okay, guys, this is my potato salad. We had a cold tin. I had this little bowl right here, small bowl for us, and then I had a little left over here. But we had a cold tin. We had a pipe to break. So for the past 15 minutes, we've been cleaning up the mess. So I just put eggs, celery, onions, red bell pepper, mayo, pickles, and a little pinch of mustard and salt.
Show them the bread.
Okay, we gotta go over here and show y'all her bread. She made some good old homemade jiffy. Oh, that looks so good. Did you put butter on top?
Of course.
All right now. Okay, y'all, this is my roast. And the veggies look like this. What we're gonna do is cut it up. I'm sorry about the vent in the back. Once it comes on, that sucker don't go off. So we're gonna cut this roast up into individualized pieces and then put them back over in the gravy. I'm going to combine this 2 pans to 1 big pan of pot roast. Okay, guys, that's a pot roast. We did a taste and it tastes really good. And I'm so sorry about that vent in the back, y'all. This is a vlog. This is not a cooking tutorial. This is just what we do in the kitchen. Okay, guys, this is the okra, and this is those collard, I don't know why I want to keep saying turnips. I need to adjust it. Okay, guys, this is these are the turnip greens. And we have the okra. We wanted it to overcook a little bit because that's how my hubby like it. And over here, oh boy, we're just making some lemonade. And we are so tired, y'all. We are super tired. Let me see if I can clear that up a little bit. Okay, guys, and we're making lemonade over here. And I just squeeze fresh limes in my lemonade to make it taste real good. Okay, guys, a lot of people ask me, how did you keep your marriage good for 28 years? And this is one of the reasons. We have that pot roast and rice and those potatoes and carrots. And we have squash and black-eyed peas and okra and turnip greens and potato salad, and we have lemonade. So yeah, okay, y'all, we even decided to make some chocolate strawberries. So this will be our little dessert. We might even have us a little shot of what?
Some Altos sounds good.
Some Altos tequila.
Yes.
So okay, y'all. We have vanilla Ciroc.
Might try that.
We don't have any pipette, so we might just have us a little side glass or something. So guys, this is a Sunday, so this is our fabulous Sunday dinner. And we're going to say, till next time.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.